Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
You want to know Hugupungeh, I tell them for chilla. Don't try this dancehall skilla, cause you get a kick out of a filler.
Hey, you know, some of the baddest song that come out of Jamaica. Every time you hear the hee aha, aha, that part, them have to laugh it up. You see me I say, alright, Hugupungeh, big up there yourself. You see me I say, hey, my people, more you listen to some words that he said pertaining to a situation that some people call a fight on stage between at least two persons. So I say, yeah, some people say is a rastaman a fight with at least one other person, and all different type of things have been said about that situation. So basically, when I listen to some words that he said, I'm talking about the entertainer or the artist, you see me, pertaining to the situation. You see me, I say, listen.
Yes, I blessed love my people them. Yeah, you know, concerning what really caused the fight, you know, on the Marcus Garvey day, when I go down the full of Marcus vibes, you know, and seeing the people them come out as if the Black Star Line did arrive and dock up on the watch dock. You know what I mean? It's a matter of I go up there for represent for black. You understand me? I say, yeah, cause you don't know me have a EP with us come out and name Black Power for Peace, courtesy of Calibud, Favorite Fitz Livermore, and Step by Step and I Hugupungeh. You understand me? I say, yeah, so in connection to the liberation struggle that take place in Africa, I think say it would be the right moment to really deliver that song there. You know what I mean? So, you know, I go up on the stage. I go up on the stage, you know, and I give Digital Chris the thumb drive. And when I give Digital Chris the thumb drive now, it's like, you know, I expect say the artist will finish perform, I go pass the mic and do I for me really, you know, perform and thing. Yeah, but you know, before that happened, me say the artist give back the bridge in the mic, and you know, and then afterward now me say the bridge come and try to draw me off of the stage, and you know what I mean? Yeah, but how him a deal with me now, him a deal with me like me as some criminal. You know, every time when him pull me up, you can hear me close a tear and them kind of weird. And
Listen.
you know, I never go out there for no war. I go out there for represent peace. Because you don't know, I is a representative of the International Peacemaker Claudius Henry Foundation. You understand me? I say, yeah, man. So I never want no war. If you notice a white, me have want one white represent for peace. This me I deal with, yeah. And you know, so me go out there for perform, and the bridge I deal with me one kind of way, and you know what I mean? So me have to defend myself. You understand me? I say, yeah, I have to defend myself, you know what I mean? Yeah, because self-defense is very vital. You know, in a martial science, we learn say survival is key, no matter who is the antagonist. You understand me? I say, so we're not going to make them come do it anyhow. You understand me? I say, because we know say the ones them always are trying to disrespect Rasta one kind of way. You understand? So you don't know, you have to overturn them like how we overturn the system. You have to overturn the system like how we overturn them. So what take place on the stage is symbolic. For sure, say if we want freedom, we have to overturn the system and show the system are going pan them back. That's how the thing go. You understand me? I say, if you want liberation, that's what you have to do. Cause you know, in Jamaica, them say we have we gain independence and we gain emancipation and all of these things. But you know, these are terms that have never been met. You understand me? I say, yeah, cause we can't say we're independent at the end of the day. We have a different head of state, which is not a black head of state. No, you know, which is not mindful of black people and have the interests of the black people at heart. To have the interests of Jamaican people at heart. You know what I mean? So we have to fight. Same thing we are going on the music, same thing are going on in the government. Cause one thing, you know, the same thing we are going on with the gatekeepers, the same way the government then become gatekeepers and take away economical resources and enrich them other countries, them and everything, and left the ghetto youth them in a poverty. You know what I mean? Always a draw the money. And enjoy the material wealth and rich other thing, other country and place and left in a poverty. So you know, it's just a matter of reach a point where you can't take it no more, you understand? So, yeah.
Right.
But the war, the fight, what you see go on, they say is a fight between Proton and Neutron, you know, because some are we are Neutron and some are Proton. You know what I mean? The Protons are the ones that will get anointed to deliver the message, and the Neutrons are the ones that will try to stop them. We create the power struggle. So what happened there, so now demonstrate the mindset, you know what I mean, of the Neutron people, them how them operate. You know what I mean? So it is clearly visible for all of I and I if you see what go on. Yeah man, so just basically the fight, you know, all of them do is to fight against rastaman, you know what I mean? Yeah, because them don't want I and I if you perform and make the and bust the place, and you know, they want who them choose to bust the place, but not most necessarily who them choose go bust the place. Javi man 90, where man 90 to bust the place. See me I did, so yeah, just basically that. You know what I mean? Yeah, and the song you know, them can't diss Rasta. Yeah man, is a direct retaliation, you know, because you don't know. Why I say it's a direct retaliation, you know, because you don't know, you know, we have a thing when you reflex, you know, and if somebody disrespect, we have to always try to defend back ourselves. You understand me? I say, because you don't know, you can't allow people to just come angry and tear up your clothes and everything and all of them things there and disrespect Rasta. Look at my suit. You understand me? I say, my suit $100,000 for my suit. You see me I deal and I can't afford that one to come tear up my suit and deal with my suit one kind of way, so. You understand me? I say, yeah. So them little things there why you don't know, we have to retaliate and make them know, so oh, nobody can diss Rasta. You understand me? I say, because even though Rasta is a man is a diplomatic, his Imperial Majesty is a diplomatic man and is a man of peace. You know what I mean? And equality and justice. But at the end of the day, now, when Mussolini did rush Haile Selassie, he have to draw for him weapon them. Because them come in upon him and kill off woman and baby and child. You know what I mean? And gas the people and all these things. So he have to draw for him weapon and defend Ethiopia. So in like man I know I have to draw for the song and defend Rasta. You understand me? I said, no boy, I can't diss Rasta, you know a thing go. Yeah, so yes I. Yeah man, and you know, the song producer, yeah, is Lamar. You know, Cell Block from Audio Tracks Studio. See me and David. Yeah man. Don't know, it's a teamwork between I Lamar and Ganguly. You know what I mean? Yeah, so you don't know who does a show about the thing on the fullness. You know what I mean? And different Rasta to the fullness. You know what I mean? Holy Emmanuel I, Selassie I, Jah, Rastafari. Blessed love my people them. Yes I, you don't know. Give thanks.
See. Well, my people don't go pay you how much in for your clothes. You see me I say? Yeah, don't take Rasta thing for no joking thing. You see me I say? No, me's the kind of person still now. Me I tell you the truth. I don't encourage fights and them thing there and war and them thing there. You see me I say? But, you know, me do understand that people have feelings. And if you're being treated certain ways, you might retaliate. You see what I'm saying? And, you know, just to make it very clear, you see, because, you know, it's a conversation me and him have on WhatsApp, and me talk to him about a situation that is being talked about on social media. It's actually a video that shows the situation that I'm talking about. Here's a, you know, a screenshot of it. Sorry about that. Here's a screenshot of it, right? Here's a screenshot of what I'm talking about. You understand me? And, those words that I hear in the audio that I just presented to you, which is a voice note, is the response that he gave to me pertaining to the situation or the video that is circulating in certain places on social media about a fight that happened between at least two persons on stage. It's up to you if you believe or if you do not believe. You see it? Because, you know, you have some people who might say that there's more than one side to a story and all different type of ways of saying certain things. Some people might say that there's more than two sides to a story as well. You see what I say? Me even ask him about one new song when me say post on one TikTok page where me say for him, because upon the TikTok page me go and see the same video where show the fight, and then me see another video where show a phone number, and then me use the phone number when me see in one video for contact him. and ask him about the other video where it's like it's a new musical do. Me no know, it sound like it's a retaliation song. The song must say like something walla kick, boop, walla box, boop, walla lick, boop, bop, bop. It must be accurate like that. So I say, me I gonna leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to one of the songs that he mentioned in the audio that I just presented to you. You see me I say, cause that's a voice note. You see something basically talk about that situation where they said that the two persons or at least the two persons fight on stage, as well some people might say. Hope that can clear the ear. You see me, I'm only go by words that the person said. I am not able to confirm everything to be accurate either. See? So make it very clear. Now, if you like the way how me keep you up to date on posted viewers and subscribers, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between at least two persons. Well, I should say two persons, but I said at least because I don't know what happened before the video started recorded, and I don't know what happened after the video started recorded. Anyways, so this video is going to show one person at one point holding an object that looks like a machete, and the video is going to show another person holding an object that I am not able to too clearly identify, even though I think I have an idea. But maybe you, my viewers and subscribers, might be able to identify the object clearly. And the video is going to show one of those persons with rocks certain ways. So I say, so my people, when you take a look at the situation and tell me what you think, you can tell me what to do if you find yourself in a confrontation like this or a situation like this. You see me I say? And please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Where you come swipe on a while ago? Where you come swipe on? The bomb it's not your spot, man. It's not yours. I love it. It's not yours. Where you swipe on? Where you swipe on? You know what I do, Mr. You're going to jump off, you cross the line. Where you cross the line, you blow the line. Try everything. You don't need kids last year in front of me now. So right now, slow me, slow. And slow me, slow. Cross the line. Cross the line. Cross the put them back. What? Yeah. The last guy, some of the slow, yo.
Well, one of them objects, they look like a large knife to me, and so I say, me I walk from that situation, me not argue with nobody. Yeah, me not have time for that. You see me I say, trouble not set like rain, as well, you know, me have some friends that said to me, even elders in my family too, said that before. Trouble not set like rain. See? Now, I am going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show a person lean up on something. You see me I say, it's like the person lean up on something, and, you know, to my knowledge, it had been assumed that the person was sleeping. Listen me I say, it had been assumed that the person was sleeping. Assumed. You understand? So it was not confirmed if the person was sleeping, but it was assumed that the person was sleeping. You see me I say? And, you know, at some point, someone went or was at the same location where the person was at and did something, and the person lift up his head and eyes you can see and all them things. So my people, might take a look at this video and tell me what they think about the situation. Some people find this video funny on social media, and I will. Alright, so here I'm going to leave the video with you. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. The people, look there. Look how the person. Look there. Eh? Look at how the person lean up and me don't even know if I call that. Cause I not clearly see what that. Hold on. Hey.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?